Hi guys, welcome back to Learning. Today we're going to discuss about the comparison of renewable energy and conventional energy system. So let's start a video. First we see the examples. What are the example of renewable energy system? Wind, solar, biomass and tidal are the example of renewable energy system, while the conventional energy system have coal, oil and gas. Comparison of renewable and conventional energy system. Renewable energy system or natural local environment means that energy produced from the renewable energy systems are produced from our natural local environment like from sun, from wind, and while the conventional energy systems are concentrated stocks. So concentrated in terms that they have high calorific value, so that's why these are concentrated stocks. Next one is the initial average intensity. Renewable energy systems have low intensity less than 300 watt per meter, and conventional energy system have high intensities more than 1 lakh watt per meter scale. So there is a huge difference, which is the main reason that in renewable energy resources we have very low intensities, and in our conventional system we have very high intensities. This will reduce the need for area, because if we want to install the solar panels, then we will need a very large area, while in our conventional system that we if we have to install a gas turbine, then we will need a very small area. Lifetime supply. Renewable energy resources are infinite, while the conventional energy system are finite. And cost. At source, renewable energy is free and conventional energy is increasing expensive. And equipment cost per kilowatt capacity. Renewable energy system expensive, commonly $1,000 per kilowatt, while the conventional system moderate, perhaps $500 per kilowatt, and without emission control expensive, perhaps more than $1,000 per kilowatt with the emission control. Variation in output. Renewable energy system fluctuating most of the time, unpredictable, while the conventional energy system are steady system. Scale. Renewable energy systems small and moderate scale, often economic. Large scale may present difficulties, while the conventional energy system increased scale often improve supply cost. Large scale frequently favored. Dependence. Renewable energy system is self-sufficient and islanded system supported. Conventional energy system depends upon outside inputs. Pollution and environmental damage. Renewable energy system usually little environment harm, especially at moderate scale. Environmental, while the conventional system environmental pollution intrinsic and commonly, especially of the air and water. So now we see that what are the best energy resources. It depends. It is a renewable energy or non-renewable energy resources. What are the capital and setup cost? What are the ongoing operating cost? What size of the energy storage is required? How efficient is to produce 1 unit of energy? Can it be produced on a large scale? What is the cost of consumer? What impact will it have on the environment? Now let's see energy distribution in Pakistan. In Pakistan, we have 49.5% energy from natural gas, 30.8 we get energy from oil, and from hydro 10.5%. Similarly, coal is 6.7, nuclear 1.9, and LPG is 0.5%. Pakistan is an energy deficient country. Electricity deficit of the country was around 9,000 megawatt in June 2018. Situation is severe in the future because national energy demand is also increasing in an average annual rate 5.67. Pakistan energy deficiency in electricity is adversely affected the economy. Industrial sector have been badly affected. Overall export of the country have been reduced. Import of fossil fuels, especially oil, has put a lot of burden on the national economy. So here's the conclusion of the Pakistan and energy. It is crucial for Pakistan to formulate a diverse energy strategy and increase the share of sustainable and indigenous energy resources.